Well, hey guys, Scott with BWSR Bushcraft here. Today what I thought I'd do is the juice of the day that I'll be doing here. It's probably around, I don't know, a little after 3 in the afternoon, Saturday the 21st. I've got some apples, carrots, and of course our freshly sprouted alfalfa sprouts. Um, and I'm juicing it all together. And the apples and the carrots go real well, and it can help kind of just kind of set back the blandness of the alfalfa sprout. You know, if that's something you want to do. I just like the apple and the carrots. It's kind of a base to really anything that you're going to juice. And a gear, and of course we've got just our basic gear. The juicer, use a big strainer, 2-cup Pyrex, and of course the old trusty double wall mug with a fine strainer. So at any rate, just if you guys want to see, different juicing combinations and stuff like that, I'd love to do videos on it. Just let me know in the comment section below. So, at any rate, guys, this is going to kind of be part of our, I think, Toxic Free in 2023 series. So, I'm going to get juicing this. So, until next time, it's been Scott with BWSR Bushcraft. Pack light, pack tight, stay hydrated.